Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your Instagram application. So if you are wondering if your Instagram is up to date or if you want to update it for any reason, then if you are on your Android devices, then the best way to do this is using the Google Play Store. So what you will be doing is that first we will be going to the Google Play Store, and then once you are inside the Google Play Store, you need to hit the search icon at the bottom, and then you need to search for Instagram. And then once you search for Instagram, you need to click on the Instagram icon, and if there are any updates pending which you haven't downloaded yet, it will be displayed right here. Instead of the open button, it will show update. You may click on the update button and it will download that update for you, and you're all set to go once it installs in your device. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.